Facebook Monetization 2023. Hey Roladians, in today's Facebook video I want to show you how to turn on monetization on your Facebook page. At the end of this video I'll guide you through on how to get 60,000 watch minutes and 5,000 followers Facebook requirements to get your page monetized. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and if you have any questions, do well to drop it in the comments box below. Now, if you have a business page on Facebook or a creator page on Facebook and you get enough views on your videos and meet them requirements, you can actually earn money. All you have to do is to go to that page and then go to the publishing tools right there, and from there you could go to Creator Studio. Now on this page, on the left side of the page, there is a monetization tab. Click it, and this is basically the threshold that you have to meet. Now everybody can't just monetize Facebook video the same as YouTube. You have to hit a certain threshold. And last year I made this video and it looks like things have changed. So on this page, pick the Facebook page that you want to check if it is eligible to earn money on Facebook or not. So you see, all my other pages are here and they are not eligible, but it looks like this one here is eligible. So let's look at some of these numbers here and what it means to be eligible. Let me go ahead and press view criteria here. So in my case, it says to do brand collaborations. I need to reach a minimum of 1,000 followers, and it looks like I've done that, and it looks like I need one of those 3 items here to engage. So it says 15,000 post engagements in the last 60 days were viewed again in the last 60 days. This number of minutes have been viewed, and there is an option for 1 minute views for 3-minute videos. Now again, check this for your own page. Facebook changes this all the time. I have made this video 3 times before, and each time these numbers have changed for me, and it might be different for your page and the type of content you make. But this is where you check if you are not eligible or if you are eligible. And if you are not, keep watching because I'll show you how to do it within a few days. Let me come all the way down here so you can get a better view. The in-stream ads, those are the ads that are basically come in the middle of a video, and those still require you to have 10,000 followers and 30,000 minutes views, which I do not have in this page, but I'm eligible for a brand collab manager, so I'm eligible for this. Also, I have another page where I monetize as well, and then you have a subscription to which you could learn more about over here. Let me press set up monetization, and then it brings me back to Facebook for creators page here, and here I could see if I'm eligible or not, and brand collab manager I'm eligible for. But the in-stream ads, I'm not here eligible for that. They require 10,000 followers at the time that I'm recording this. So then you come down here and fill out the information on this page and then press submit, and the application has to be reviewed and you get an email within the next step. But that's the process of submitting for monetization. I just wanted to show you the latest numbers and show you that there are now different ways to monetize besides the regular in-stream ads, and it looks like I already got my application approved. Again, this is to do brand collaboration, which I also do on YouTube. So I could go ahead and press view tools on this email, and now I should have a new section again under the monetization tool for brand collab manager. So you can learn more about this in other videos, and you could still see this section for in-stream ads, which is what we want to work towards for reaching the eligibility requirement for getting these options here, which I don't just have yet. I hope you found this quick video useful, and you could turn on monetization for your Facebook if you meet the eligibility, and I hope to catch you next time. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.